Hey guys, so today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a new method to actually get the Game Guardian for iOS. So as you can see, I have it. So if you want to get it, just go to zoomods.com. So let me just type it in. So now go to the search bar, type in Game Guardian, and press on it, and it will start downloading. So you just have to wait for it to download. And at the end, guys, there's a little verification step, so just go ahead and complete that by downloading 2 apps and following the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store, and then you'll have the Game Guardian on your device. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, this fully works, guys, and it's super cool. Fully updated method, so just make sure you download 2 of these apps. Doesn't make a difference which ones they are, but as long as you download 2 of the apps from this list that will pop up, you're going to be able to get rich on the Game Guardian. You'll have it on your iOS device. So just make sure you download 2 of these apps. You can see it says missing files, additional files are required. So just pick 2 of them, guys. You're good to go.